DIY fender liners because you don't have any. So what you're gonna do is grab your duct tape and you're gonna start the tape up here on your fender well and end it at the bottom of your headlight bracket. And you're gonna make it a little longer to simulate the arch that's on your other fender liner, but it's not gonna matter because it's gonna sink down anyway, but it's gonna give it some slack. And you're just gonna keep doing that for the top side and the bottom side so you don't get debris sticking on it. So there you have it, a DIY fender liner. It's good quality. It only cost me like $3. This is much better than OEM. Much cleaner looking too. I don't know why you want this. Now you can go park your shitty car in the trash.